Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. Given expression is x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube is equal to 81. So here every term we are going to differentiate it with respect to x. So the first term if you differentiate it becomes 3x squared. Now for the second term, treat this x squared y in the form of uv. So u is x squared, v is going to be y. So I'm going to keep first u v dash. So u into v dash will become dy by dx. The second term I'm going to keep v into u dash. So here I retain the y and differentiate x squared, which is another 2x. Plus, now the same way I'm going to do once more uv here. Here u is going to be x, dy of dx, so v squared is going to be 2y. And followed by, I have to do a dy by dx because y is not x. So apply the chain rule. Plus, the next time I'm going to retain the y squared because differentiation of x is 1. Lastly, the differentiation of y cube, which is 3y squared dy by dx is equal to, on the right side, differentiation of a constant is 0. Retain all the dy by dx term in the left and carry everything else to the right. So this is x squared dy by dx plus 2xy dy by dx plus 3y squared dy by dx. Now move all the other terms to the right side. So it is minus 3x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. Now collect the dy by dx on the left side outside. So this is x squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared. On the right side, I'm taking the minus sign outside. So this is minus of 3x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now we need the answer of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. The whole thing divided by x squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.